Hello to all employers. My name is Aisa Balataro. I was born on August 8, 1994. I am 29 years old. I am single. I am from Batangas, Philippines. We are four in the family and I am the youngest. I have a bachelor's degree in hospitality management, major in culinary, a 4 year course. I have experienced 6 years as a household here in the Philippines. I have 4 years with my old employer and my latest employer is 2 years from September 2021 to September 2023. Taking care of one couple under 3 children, ages 11, 10, and 5 years old. Doing all the chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, doing laundry, and taking care of their pets. One dog and one cat. Gardening and washing cars. I am a hardworking person and well-dedicated and a trustworthy person and easy to learn. If you will hire me, I promise to finish my contract as long as you need me. And I will do my best to do my duties and my responsibilities. And I will assure you that you will satisfy to my service. Thank you and God bless.